Did you know that gum disease affects nearly half of adults over 30? Yup, that's millions of people dealing with issues like tooth loss and even heart disease if it's left untreated. Crazy, right? But what if I told you that you could actually cure gum disease at home in just 24 hours? Stick around, because today I'm going to share some simple, effective methods to tackle gum disease that you can start right now. Trust me, you'll want to hear this. First off, let's talk about the signs of gum disease. Have you ever noticed your gums bleeding when you brush? Or that awful bad breath that just won't go away? Those are big red flags. Gum disease can start off with something as simple as gingivitis. But if it's ignored, it can lead to more serious problems like periodontitis, which is no fun at all. It's crucial to address these symptoms quickly because, believe me, the longer you wait, the worse it can get. So let's get serious about taking care of our gums. Now let's dive into some natural remedies you can use at home. Don't worry, here's the solution, do you know? This mineral in your mouth to rebuild your gums and teeth. It may sound odd, but it is scientifically proven. According to a Harvard scientist, swallowing these newly discovered bacteria is all you need to do to fix all your dental issues. From gum bleeding and teeth rotting to bad breath and cavities. These amazingly efficient bacteria work by reconstructing your enamel, the outer layer of your teeth, making them 20x stronger than a normal tooth. Like a titanium shield against cavities, root infection, and enamel erosion. Some say their teeth are now stronger than a dental implant. Who would have thought that a candy could save anyone struggling with tooth decay and inflamed gums? This natural soft candy has stunned both scientists and people all around the world. Simply let it melt in your mouth after brushing your teeth to get rid of cavities almost overnight. It will not only restore your teeth, but also rebuild your gums and eliminate bad breath. See here the amazing results of 34,788 people who have already tried this. Check out the link in the description. And in only 10 seconds, you will find out if your teeth have aged prematurely and whether you risk losing them in the next 2 years. Find the test in the description and what you can do to rejuvenate your teeth and gums. Click link in the description to do the test in the next 10 seconds.